Good morning everyone. I am back with your English speaking video for class 3rd, and the topic we are revising today is picture conversation. I know you all like to do this picture conversation topic and you enjoy this topic a lot. So let's begin with our video. So let's begin with our first picture. This is, we can see the scene of a library where the children are reading books. They are enjoying reading, so they are reading books here. We all know that we should keep silent in the library, so we cannot talk in the library. Here also we can see the bookshelves around everywhere, and we can see one girl is finding a book over here from this shelf. Then the children are enjoying reading here in sitting in the library. So you can describe this picture like this. Now come to second picture. Here we can see some children are drawing. They are having the drawing competition, you can say, or they are painting for their fun. One boy has completed the painting and he's showing his painting to everyone. Others are still completing their pictures. So you can describe this picture more in your words by saying that the table is there. 5 children are there, and there are so many colors. Glue is there on the table. Many pictures they have already drawn, and they are drawing more, and they enjoy and love drawing. So students, now let's take next picture, which is a family picture. We can see one family is having food with everyone. They are having family time, they are having quality time with each other. Mother is asking son to take chapati. You can see they are enjoying food with each other. They all are looking very happy with each other. Now we can describe the food here which we find on the table. Here are some rice, some dal, chapati. We can say like this. Next, we can see one pup is also having his food in his bowl. So everyone is enjoying their company with each other. So we can describe more about this picture by telling the colors of the clothes they are wearing. So this way you can have a picture conversation nicely. I hope you understood, and you can easily have a picture conversation with anyone. So this is it for this class, students. I hope you enjoy the video and you like the video. This is it for this class now. Take care of yourself. I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.